All right, so I had a lot of things go wrong when I got this bike, the 750. Fuel was bad, carbs needed a complete rebuild. I did even further look, and the gas tank was so rusted that even though I was cleaning out the carbs, it was still having bits and pieces of debris clog up everything. So after cleaning out the gas tank over the weekend, I just put everything back in. I also found that by cleaning my gas tank that my pit cock was bad, so I got that finally in today. I clocked out of work, went home, grabbed it, came back to the shop where the bike is, installed that, hooked everything up. It's already warmed up because I wanted to test it and see, but that's a bad mammer jammer right there. I like that sound. No hesitation now.